God, yeah, yeah, was that a serious question? For real?
It's a real question.
It's a real question. Where to you okay? If boyfriend, your boyfriend, before I I'm chatting.
Oh man!
Love.
No, I'm just pulling your leg. Because also that's one question that will easily throw someone off. Like, what? Is this guy serious? Who knows about my engagement? I thought it was a secret, but that's also how we find out whether you're dating someone or not.
Current trend.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Spotlight on the Stars. That's a feature that we have every Sunday here on Smash and Grab. And for the third and final hour, we hang out with easily one of South Africa's recognizable faces or personalities. And we've got the one and only Zenokuhle Maseko, who joins us. She's an actor. She's an influencer. She's not a dancer. You don't influence anymore? You don't influence?
Anymore.
Your bio says you're an influencer and a model.
Modeling.
But you are modeling.
And I'm a favor. I got the influence.
Serious? So you haven't had a paid for post in a while? Is that what you're saying?
I've never had a paid for post ever.
You've never been reached out to promote like a laxative? Like a brick lax.
No.
It's December. The kids must do the right thing before they eat all the sugar.
Right now.
And also, I can do this because I haven't seen Zulu in like a while, and I'm just pulling her leg. Yes. Dude, from the last time I saw you, something like 2020 or 2019, before Cyril closed down the country. What has the past 5 years been like for you, career-wise?
Career-wise, a roller coaster. A roller coaster. But, I've been learning a lot. And I've been working as well, sort of, kind of. I've been working. But, yeah, and I've been, like, not just acting. So a lot has been happening. Yes. A lot has been happening. And a lot of travel.
I request permission to shoot. Is it allowed?
It is allowed, indeed.
Right. Oh, right. Thank you very much, darling.
It is.
So, where is home?
Home is KZN, Hammersdale, and in the East Rand as well.
So when you, let's say you want to throw Mcimbi, do you start in the East Rand and then go to Hammersdale, or do you start Hammersdale and you do something?
I'd have to start Hammersdale and then go to the East Rand, because Hammersdale Gababa. Yeah. So I'd have to start by my dad's and then obviously culturally then go to my mom's East Rand.
So it sounds like you are a rooted Han.
I am.
Yeah. Why is that important in the time that we live in, you know, where people are just cool with not knowing their roots, where their roots are?
Yo.
I know, right?
Right.
Deep like your roots.
That is funny. I feel like it's just so that like you just don't lose your moral compass. Like you just don't lose yourself in the source. You know, especially in our industry, it's very easy to lose yourself in the source. So it's very important to be rooted and just be one with self all the time.
I love that. You've been listening to a lot of Oprah, ne?
How? Wow, Oprah
sounded like an Oprah answer.
I'm dead.
Yeah, it is.
Listen, I'm
yoga?
such a wholesome person. I don't do yoga. Okay. I don't. I do.
Do you meditate?
I do meditate to some.
I was gonna say, do you smoke Zol if you said you don't meditate?
That's the meditation I was talking about.
We are guaranteed to have a good time this afternoon as we are hanging out with South African actor, full stop, and businesswoman. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. None of this modeler, influencer. Because I was going to ask you now about Russia.
Oh, because never has looked.
Zenokuhle is our guest this afternoon. Zenokuhle Maseko is representing for all the stars. Because she's the star under the spotlight. Thank you for meeting us in energy without even being prepped.
Really?
Because you just walked in.
I wasn't even prepped. I was just like, oh my god. And I hate interviews, you know this.
Yeah, as you should. Because they're all stuck
Scary.
most of the time.
Scary times though.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
very
And
scary
you're like,
times.
I hope I don't say the wrong
I hope
thing.
I don't say that. Because I wanted to say the Zol thing, and then you said it. I said, that's not alright.
Thank you so much for making time. You could be anywhere else in the world, but you chose to be here with us.
Thank you.
And we get to play your favorite song.
Listen, you get to
know
play
what I
my
mean?
favorite song. I love the song. If I don't love you, baby.
Oh, right. We need to close this thing now.
Say hi.
Huh?
Hi to my people. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys are really tuned in, if you even tuned in on here, that's also perfect. Like, thank you. I do have trust issues, but like, thank you. Even if you tuned in on here, I have no idea what you guys are saying, but I will read afterwards. I think actually read now. Hey, we back here. Hey, my brother. We can go slow, or we can go faster.
You look so good, man.
Thank you.
And there's no filter here.
Thank you so
Like in real
much.
life.
Yeah,
Damn.
stop. Thank you so much. Melody. Shut up. They don't know that. Why are you calling me with that character name? I said to. What would I do?
What do you think of Justin Bieber's album?
If I'm being honest, I haven't listened to the whole album.
Okay.
If I'm being honest.
Okay. Yeah, I know someone, one of my colleagues said, listen to it. I
Really?
listened to it, man. And I was like,
Today I don't feel like you.
my brother's going through a lot, man. And he, emotionally.
Yeah.
He's hype and now he's,
Yeah.
and then he's emotional, very, and I'm like,
Yeah, I stopped halfway.
yeah.
I think there's like 2 discs.
And it's long. I mean, like, we don't do discs anymore.
Yeah, but
Or does your car still have a CD player?
shut up.
Let's start
please,
there.
please. CD player.
They can teach me how to dug it. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the freaking man. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna know.
Guys, I can't remember the last time I went live. Number 1.
For real?
Yeah, I don't do lives anymore.
Why? What happened?
No, because whenever I do lives, and you saw how I walked in here, that's my real personality. They don't know. They think I'm drunk.
Character.
Yeah, character. Yeah, literally, they do. They'll be like,
You did it when she walked in. What did you say?
yeah, they're like, ah, this is not true. Are you drunk? It's like, but you guys don't know me. You know my characters, and you know like the what I play on screen, but you don't know how I am in real life. You don't know which like I'm hyper and like they just like, oh no, honey is drunk. Did I get off the live right now? And I'm like, hi, Bo. Did I get off right now? You're drunk, ma'am. You shouldn't be doing that. PR. I'm like, no, guys, this is me.
Buena. Please come here.
Which station? 5 FM.
So where did you
5
get
FM.
that
5 FM.
influencer and model, my friend?
5 FM.
Yeah.
Where did you get influencer from?
Influencer and model.
Which bio? Even on my live, they're asking which bio is this? That says influencer. Which one is this one?
I was even surprised when you said she's an influencer, right? I'm like,
Wait, where did you get it from?
So I was going through her profile.
you assumed.
Wait.
Oh, you assumed, Quena.
Buena, but like also, you can't assume an entire position.
Have you even seen an ad on there that you just
You
assumed?
just thought she looks like an influencer.
Some
Fair.
cheeses are very
Fair,
big.
fair.
Dude, all you
Influencers
have
are
on your
beautiful.
profile is a rose, dog, and a full stop.
But
Yeah.
even her page is not giving influencer though.
Yeah.
Influencer you can see
Why, man? Who's this team?
brand
Man?
deals and stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm going to smash Africa. I'm like, I'm acknowledging her, the hard work she put in.
And I'm like, wait, which hard work?
Beautiful music from Bruno Mars on 5, the Lazy Song. Also play some music from Justin Bieber, Yukon. Have you ever been in the Yukon? KB?
Nah.
Karabo?
What is it?
It's a car.
I was about to ask.
It's a car. Zeno, you've never been in a Yukon. I thought
Which
you liked
car?
that song. It's an American car.
Oh, so
Yeah,
you
like it's an
wouldn't-
SUV vibe. So are you...
like-
Yeah, like if you are into like Buc-ee's and stuff.
Baki.
So those American SUVs.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Go on the Oh, you're busy on your life.
Isn't it like a
Just go and check what a Yukon looks like there, man. Ish.
Yukon?
While we at it, thank you so much for choosing Smash Africa Weekends. We are, excuse me, we are hanging out with a superstar in the building. Zenokuhle Maseko. Is it true that you went to Benoni High School?
Yes.
How many famous people are from Benoni High School?
I have no idea, but I know a lot of famous people from Benoni though, like the East Rand producers, like Young Stunner,
Okay.
Muesli,
Uh-huh.
from Davidson,
I'm
especially.
waiting.
Same
I'm
look,
waiting.
same
You
look.
just
sheen.
mentioned 2 people.
Yeah, and I'm still I'm still like wait.
No, I'm just messing with you. No, the East Rand has a lot of superstars, man. There's something that happens out there.
It's the water.
Is there
Kurudeni honestly has the best tap water. Shimza as well.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
was about to go on. and you said, yeah.
DJ's move.
Yes, DJ Smooth.
You don't relate. You're like, who's that? Mzansi.
Oh,
What was high school like for you, dude?
funny. Yo, high school was funny.
Real.
Yeah,
Let's talk about that.
Yeah, like high school was funny as hell. Can I say as hell?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. High school was really funny. Like
Yeah.
it was also easy-ish because I'm a bit smart.
Yeah. You
So,
got it intelligent. about it.
okay. But it was funny, and I feel like that's when I was like, how can I put it? Like, you know, when
You found your voice?
No, not even found my voice. I think that's when I didn't even have a voice.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I didn't have a voice until like varsity.
No way.
Yeah.
But you were the clown.
Not even the clown. That's the thing. I found it funny because my friends were clowns.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
such a nerd. Like,
Yeah.
homework, home, boyfriend,
wait.
for grade 11.
Oh, you
but-
only got a boyfriend in grade
Grade
11?
11.
Oh, damn, man.
Yeah.
Some of us tracked high school with no girlfriend.
I don't believe him.
I said some of us.
Oh, so quite.
Speaking about, I'm talking about the world here. Not, I'm not making the interview about myself.
Okay.
I would be on the other side if I was going to make it about myself. So the reason why I'm asking about high school, the human being that you were in high school tends to show up later on, either in varsity, but yet it could be you were the suppressed person who's a performer, who does not like doing it in front of people, but when you go home, you do it.
Yes.
And at varsity, you have a platform and you are more confident and you have a conviction of who you are becoming, so therefore you'll just come out. Hence, I was
Yes,
trying to figure out what kind of individual you were in high school. I was a troublemaker.
Really?
Still a troublemaker.
I can tell, Smash. Like, everyone can tell. I was definitely not a troublemaker.
Yeah?
I was, you know, when security guards go,
Yeah.
I was that person. I was very, like,
And then your uniform, you never styled it. It was always on point.
always on point. I had short hair. I didn't have time to be styling my hair. The only time I had was.
Can you imagine the Edges era in your high school days?
Yo.
What that would have looked like?
Oh my god.
Yo.
For those who are wondering, Edges era. So nowadays, we used to call it baby hair back in the day.
Yes, baby hairs. Yes.
Yeah, but I'm up the program, right? So I'm doing this for my generation who might be confused. So right now you'll find that older people have baby hairs. That's called edges. They lay their edges and whatnot, and that is so popular in high school right now.
Yes.
The girlies are out
The
here.
girlies, yeah.
It's like the do-rags with the boys and the waves.
Yes, the
Yeah.
waves.
You know what I mean?
Oh, the damn waves.
Yeah. So that's why
Dumb waves.
Oh, the waves.
I like
Why
the
you
waves.
hate
No, I'm not hating on waves. I'm not
I want to
hating
hear
on
this.
waves.
Defend yourself.
No, okay. I'm just not hating on waves. It's just
You dated
So
a guy
I-
with waves.
I dated a guy with
I
waves.
knew it.
And
Stop wearing the do-rag.
And no. You know, like I love head rubs.
Yes,
I love
yes.
giving head rubs. And he was always like, no, don't do that. You know, you have to brush from the back forward. From the back forward. You can't brush from the back. Yeah, it's like I'm like, oh, okay. But these are head rubs, you know. There's no formula to this. He's like, no, from the back forward, babe. From the back forward. I was
You
like,
guys
oh.
don't understand. It
Sorry.
takes hard work to get these waves to show. It takes a lot of hard work.
Where are we? Are we in Bloemfontein
Like,
salon?
sorry.
Like everyone is ready to get their head in. I can't believe how passionate you guys just became. When we come back after the break, we'll play you some fire music from Fred again, as well as RD, and then we'll get into the conversation about your career. Because you said roller coaster.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna start like a roller coaster begins at the bottom and it goes to the top peak.
The top
Top,
peak,
top,
and then
top. Yeah,
it goes
yeah, and then
again.
I wish we had cameras so I can just do this. When it's going down,
Like-
and not in a good way.
Yes,
like
you know when you're
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So we're gonna get into that
Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta.
in just. No way! This is not an interview, guys. What's going on here?
No, create those moments for me so that it doesn't even become hard for to say it, so what?
Get caught up in the grind. Thursdays Master Junior, Tuesday evenings at 7:30. Repeat Wednesdays at 1 and Sundays 4 p.m.
I'm gonna answer while we're on a break. She guys were saying something. Crush. Oh, Crush. I have no idea who said that, but Crush back. Shout out to Smash Africa. Hey. They sing shout out on my live. Shout out.
Yeah.
Can you guys hear him? Yo. Such a big fan. I love you guys so much. Oh, I love you too. You guys are so sweet. Hold on. I need to see where. Hey. Hey.
Yeah, I think I should rest every weekend, no? I think I should rest every weekend.
Why?
Because he's always working.
Oh,
Tired.
okay.
So this weekend,
It's just you have energy, yeah.
No, I have energy on
All
air.
the time.
They suffer when we go off air.
Oh. Shame.
Yeah, it's like what when I said yesterday, Tyson is like, I like the silver smash. I had to down wait,
Yo, I'm thinking of going to the movies after this. The weather
what movie are you gonna watch?
I don't know. I think Black Phone too.
Black what?
Black Phone? Have you guys watched Black Phone? It's like a horror.
Oh, you are.
Yeah, it's like a movie right
I haven't even seen. Wow.
The one.
Damn, it looks scary, dog.
It's not that scary. It is a bit mysterious,
Okay,
but not that scary.
but does it make you jump out of
It
your
does.
seat?
You do have, it does have like jump scares, but like not out of your seat.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
not even like splashing popcorn at you.
Okay.
Like very minimal stuff.
Yo, the cast is fire, man. Mason Kane, Ethan Hawke, Miguel Mora. So it's a real, it's a real one.
It's a real
movie. It's a real movie, this one.
It's a real movie that you can actually go to the cinema for.
And the rating is not bad.
Yeah. Actually, I love you too, Mzansi. You should do more lives. You're funny and beautiful. Thank you so much. Not you making me blush. If I do more lives, Nanzo Tintagiwe. Mangin kombisa my real me. Nizoti go chala lobo. So.
Smash Africa on Smash Africa Weekend.
5 FM.
Thank you so much.
So we're gonna go to sports. Please be short. Don't make it long this one, so that we can get into the interview. Nah, it'll be nice and short. Don't mind. Because I know, like the last bulletin, you like to drag it out. What did you say your sports story is?
Nottingham Forest, the situation.
More lives.
Let's talk about it.
My joy. I love you so much, Joy. By the way, you know this though, but I love you, baby. Smile, push my love. Joy, more lives, Yona. Ibile I. Yazi Garden Buga is pure. Oh, yesterday. Oh, it was really nice. You guys should watch it.
It's going down.
It's actually really nice. Thank you so much for watching that. Also, guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the support more than anything. When are we gonna see more of your talent? Oh,
You know what love is?
I actually do. I love love. You know, I have a matching tattoo with my ex of 5 years. And we got it within a month of us knowing each other.
Yeah, don't tell me about that. I got married after knowing someone for like 5 months.
So we know what love is.
I don't know if it was love.
I don't know. Infatuation. Guys, sorry, I
You have a
don't know. I
beautiful
don't know what
baby, though. I don't
happened.
care.
That
You
is
know,
a beautiful
That's
baby.
all I care about.
So I don't know what happened to
That's love there.
vacation, not the vacation network. My brain is a little bit fried.
D on 5, cross the line. Yes, if you're thinking maybe we could be in the UK, no. This is 5FM. Also plays you some music from Fred again, teaming up with Black Boy Max, Skepta, and Dochi with Victory Lap. It is 4:30. Let's find out what's happening in the world of sports. And as soon as we are done, Zenokuhle Maseko is our star under the spotlight. We'll chop it up with her because you know big things are popping. She's got things to reveal with us.
It is the final, latest, and greatest right here on Smash Africa Weekends. Let's get started off with what's happening in your world of football in the Betway Premiership. Murumo Gallants in action against Shippa United. It is currently half-time between the two teams. Scores are still level 0-0. Hopefully a goal can come very, very soon in the second half. Meanwhile, taking a look at the Premier League, Tottenham Hotspur did take the lead last time we spoke to each other, but unfortunately Aston Villa managed to get an equalizer through Morgan Rogers just before half-time. Scores are still currently 1-1 between the two teams. 70 minutes of the game have been played, and do not forget, at 5:30, a game that could either make me very happy or very depressed. Defending Premier League champions Liverpool will welcome arch rivals Manchester United to Anfield. Now remember, Liverpool are at risk of losing 3 consecutive games, while Manchester United are looking to win back-to-back games for the very first time under Ruben Amorim. You're now my way. Liverpool versus Manchester United will be taking place at Anfield and will also be kicking off at 5:30. Meanwhile, in the Women's Cricket World Cup, it is currently still India up against England. I remember England won the toss and they elected to bat first in the first innings. They finished those innings 288 for 8 wickets after 50 overs. India are currently at the creases. They are currently 86 for 2 with 17.1 overs having been played already. They currently need 203 runs from 32.5 overs in order for them to get that all-important victory against England. And with that being said, that is it for your sports updates on Smash Africa Weekends. Oli Zondo will have your next updates on 5 Breakfast tomorrow morning for your 5 sports. It is, of course, KB the Don.
Yes, KB, that's for you, my boy. Come on, keep on shining.
I appreciate it.
Yes. And Karabo, in case you are feeling some type of way, we can only do that with sports because we cheer. nobody cheers for news. Just in case you're like, well, I'm unfair.
No.
It's
News is just for my.
no, it's the blues. Yeah, says the newsreader. So quote her on that. Yes, roller coaster ride, your career.
Yes.
So let's talk about where it all starts and how it starts, because you obviously need to audition for a role.
Yes.
Unless if you are really amazing and someone sees you performing somewhere, like, we've got a role for you.
Yes.
And how does that go from getting into the industry and the peak?
I feel like, and I don't want to say this or anything like that, but like me getting into the industry, that was my peak, because the river was actually my first job, like ever.
Yeah.
Ever. And that was like a big role, number one, a big show.
Yeah.
Everything about it was big. And
Big story too.
big story, big tune. Sorry, I don't know how I said that. So that was like my peak. And then everything after that was just like on a constant, like just like, I don't know, but I feel like there's no peak after peak.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I auditioned for The River, like everybody else.
So did you audition for that role specifically?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, no, I actually auditioned for Faith.
Yes,
For
I remember.
Faith's role.
I remember this because Nada Bay
Yes,
told me, like,
yes.
she auditioned for your role and you guys did
Yes,
the.
we did like a whole
'cause,
swap
yeah.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't
Anela
'cause-
Zondo is the person I'm referring
Yes,
to.
Nada
for those
Nada
who-
Baby.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
my friend.
yeah.
I love her. By
Yeah.
the way, shout out to her.
Yeah.
Anyways, what did you say the reason was for the swap? Because I actually don't know till today.
She doesn't know either.
Ah.
Yeah. But I found it fascinating. But oftentimes people do audition for roles, like, and they would be friends, and they will just swap them around.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. I
Um,
think
Monica
we were.
from Friends.
Yeah, we weren't even friends
At the time,
Before,
yeah.
before the show.
Yeah.
We started being friends on
On the show.
sets, yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So it was crazy. That was crazy.
But I think they saw a spoiled baby girl in you, and they saw drama in Nada Bay.
Yeah, they probably saw.
You know
They
what
saw
I
Name. They
mean?
saw. Slay Queen. And
yours-
they saw me, and they're
yeah.
like, no.
Yeah,
Listen
yeah, you know what I mean. I think that's what it is. So you say everything plateaus at your peak, right?
Yeah.
Now, there's one thing that people don't talk about, and especially in our industry, the lows that come with
Yes.
being at the top.
Yes.
How did, and you don't have to like give us details. How did you find yourself overcoming some things that like were, I guess, challenges or troublesome or?
So when I died on the river, that was my first time ever being unemployed. Even though I didn't even know what employment was before that.
Yeah.
But I was still like, oh, is this unemployment? Okay, this hurts. Okay, I don't know what to do. Like, you know.
Yeah.
So what was the question again?
Yeah, how did you find yourself overcoming challenges at your peak? Because you're on the river and then your character dies. Once your
Yes.
character dies,
Yes.
it's not like some movies where you come back. You're not Jack Maba.
Yeah, I wasn't even a ghost nyana. But they were like, no, it's done. It's really, really
Yeah.
done. Yeah, so after that, I think I had a partner at the time that was really, really supportive. And also I was still in school, so things were just like, you know, like
Okay.
things were fine. And I didn't feel it that much. I guess financially, I also kind of didn't feel it that much because... I still had like I still have parents. You
Okay,
know?
sure,
Lucky
sure.
enough, I
Shout
still
out
have
to-
parents. Yeah,
to
shout out to
parents.
my parents. I still have parents who still look out for me, and they understand that I was still in school more than anything. So yeah, it challenges are just challenges, man. Most of the time, how I deal with challenges in jail, I just isolate and then deal, and then come back into the world.
Did you feel like maybe perhaps when your character died, maybe you should look at a new career path?
No.
You're like, nah, I'm gonna audition.
Yeah, even though I didn't know how to move after this because I'm just like, okay, this is my first job.
Yes.
And this is the end of my first job.
Yes.
So I don't know what happens after this. I guess,
Yes.
do we audition again?
Did you have an agent at the time?
I didn't have an agent. I
So
was an
it was
independent.
oh man.
Yeah, I was an independent.
So you went through. Girl, why don't you share the story with the world?
Listen, I was literally an independent. I went to the auditions and I got the job, and I was like, oh, and then I went through the river without an agent, and then afterwards I was like, okay, I think I need to get an agent. I think that's what needs.
Was it
to
easy
happen.
or hard for you to find one?
It was actually easy.
Okay.
It was actually quite easy.
They saw, okay, you
because
could
they
bag
saw,
a
yeah,
job.
they were like, oh, you could bag a job, and then also that last scene, everyone was crying about. They were like, oh, that's you.
That's range,
come
baby.
Here,
Yeah.
come here, baby, come here. We got you. I was like, okay, yeah, sure. So yeah, it wasn't that hard to find a job after getting an agent.
So essentially, you haven't hit rock bottom yet. Yes.
Basically.
Yes.
Essentially.
And you can own it. It's fine.
Yeah.
And you know, some people are just
I mean,
are supposed to be eagles
yeah.
and just soar.
Yeah, I mean, I've reached rock bottom in terms of emotionally.
Okay.
Sometimes, like how I am.
Okay.
But not in terms of my career.
Career-wise.
No.
All right,
I don't
cool.
think so. I think it's been very lovely.
Nice.
Which one of your characters was your favorite to play? I know playing Bali was like the biggest role.
Yeah.
But you've also been on The Estate, all these other shows. But which one was your favorite to play in terms of the character, the grit it took, just everything overall?
It was definitely. I'm trying to think of her name now. Sorry. Is her name Cindy?
Is it on
It's
The
pure.
Estate?
No, it's on.
Oh.
It's on. I'm thinking of the one on The Estate, but it's actually on Tando. No Tando.
Yes.
No Tando was on Pure. And my character had a gift. She had Istunya.
Yes,
Yeah.
that show that played on ETV.
No, it was on DSTV on Mzansi Magic.
Oh,
yeah, it was like one of those 13-part series.
It was a short. It was
a short series.
Yeah.
Where so the girl had a gift, and that I've never. I mean, I don't think I'm a gifted person. Well, I'm not a gifted person. I don't think spiritually. So. Nor do we have anyone who's spiritually gifted at home. So it was very hard. I had no.
How did you even research? Did you start
That's the
visiting
thing.
bocos
That's the
or
thing.
people who
I was
are
like,
gifted? Like, hi guys, how do you do this?
I was like, how do you do this? How do you get into a trance? Like, you know, I had to like proper get into a trance and do my own research. You know, because the writers did their own research, it up to them, and they could try to explain it to me as much as they could. But I had no reference. Even on YouTube, if you were to
There
search
was nothing.
Sangoma in a trance or maybe a Sangoma in... There was nothing.
You actually have to be around
I actually have to be around one. So I got myself an acting coach at the time who was a Sangoma and could help me with the role in terms of preparing for it.
Yeah.
So she could explain in detail and even show me, like demonstrate to me how... Okay, this is what you do, and this is what you do, and this and this and this. And I saw myself actually relating to the role the more I was playing it. It really felt like I was gifted, and it really felt like even people who are gifted were coming up to me, and after the show, they were like to me, babe, can I ask, like, are you gifted, or is this something
you know that?
Yeah, how did you know that? Because I went through that in high school, and I didn't even understand what was going on. So, like, I could relate so much to you, and, like, to your character, to your show, to the show, and everything. And I was just like, baby, I didn't even know what I was doing. I didn't even know. But, yeah, that character definitely.
Yeah, the character is Cindy on Spew.
Yeah.
It was on
the
Mzansi Magic
States.
2024.
Yes.
That's when it was released. Yeah.
Yes, last year.
Yeah, it's not Tanda. No, Cindy's the States.
Cindy's The Estate. Yes,
Yes.
I remember that role.
So who is writing all of this stuff on IMDb? Like, somebody call this
Wait,
person.
I am on IMDb.
You are. No, you are.
What?
Yeah, you are.
Damn.
You are. But Notando Sporte is the name.
Yes, boy.
But anyway, so KB,
What's up?
are you at work or you watching football?
I'm very much am at work. What has been the greatest piece of advice that you've received from, like, you know, a veteran of the game or someone that has been in the acting game for a while? What has been the greatest piece of advice that you've gotten?
It's definitely it would definitely have to be from Mom Cindy Glasses. She's my fave. Sorry, so I'm not like being biased or anything. But I remember at the beginning of the river, I was bullied a lot. Like, I was actually bullied a lot. A lot of people were like, oh, she can't act, that. The only thing she does is eat. And it's like, yeah, obviously because I'm anxious and I'm scared. This is my first
And
job.
you're
It's
also
like,
young.
and I'm young.
You forget
Like,
that.
I was only
Remember
like
you were a kid,
18 or
bruh.
something. Yes.
Yes.
Like, I'm young, so let's start with that. Like, I'm scared. So anyways, so I tell her this, and I'm bawling my eyes out, and I'm crying to her, and I'm telling her, it's okay, so this is happening, and I'm thinking of quitting, and I still have school, I really don't have to do this. Like, my mom's the one who kind of said, no, you're still young, you don't know what to do, just like,
try this out.
And and then I'm telling her, I'm like, I'm quit, this is not for me. And then she's like, then can I quickly just tell you something? It's poor or pure, sorry, you're not here by chance or by mistake, or it's not pretty privilege or anything like that. She said this. Like, it's in fun. Like, you all, like, your youngsters are the same, it's all wigs, and we all have the same look. So you must have something. And whatever you have has been placed in you by God, not by abantu who are bullying you. So you're not gonna determine who puts you where because of like bullies and whatever. So you have to trust that you're here for a reason, and you don't know which hearts you might touch. Going back to now, I mean, I guess 4 years or 3 years later, playing Pure and people relating to a character like that. And
Right? How insane.
How insane. It's been a long time. And she was like, you don't know which hearts you might touch. You don't know why God has placed you here. But one thing you're not going to do is give up because other people deem you not fit to be in a space where God deemed you fit to be in.
Have you found ways in dealing with, like, those shows that are online on your socials that, make nasty comments about you? How do you deal with them these days?
I think I just take it as constructive criticism. Like, I take it with a pinch of salt, but I do take it. Like, because there's no ways 5 people are saying the same thing and bonke are haters. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Well,
like,
there is way.
It doesn't come, okay.
No, there is way. I
No,
will
but-
tell. I will tell. Hey, there's haterade juice.
Okay, but
everybody's
like-
sipping from the same cup.
That's
So
true.
I just like, I mean, what you're asking rather, KB, is how does she deal with negativity towards her craft online specifically, right?
Specifically online.
That's like online people, man.
I take it as constructive criticism.
Yeah,
I definitely just go, listen.
give them too much
is that
benefit.
what no, but also I do read some of the things that they do say now,
Yeah.
and then some of the things I actually do agree with, because one thing I do is I don't really watch myself, but I do watch myself to like judge and like better myself, not
All right,
judge.
to
Sorry,
improve- to
to
improve.
improve, not judge, but like better myself, to improve myself. So I'll be like, I could have done better there. Okay, I see that. Bengenzani ke manje lana, Nkosi yami. You see, so things like that. So when I read things like that, I'm like, I see that. I saw that.
Okay.
So this is fine. But abanye ke manje I say
Alright.
do you get? So it's not like everyone. I'm not taking everyone's opinion about my work or whatever. But like some things, I'm just like, no, I'll work on that because you are right.
You have something
All
called tolerance. I'm neg.
Tolerance.
Yes. Even when I'm wrong, I'm like I was good at being wrong.
There's no way.
No. I don't even mess with that shit, man.
Online. You know what? I get that.
Me?
For your mental health.
Yeah. That's
If you
the
take
best
time,
thing I can do is block shit out.
Yeah,
That's like one thing about me. Because once I get inside, and I only learned that I could do this thing after I was told, like, we did the first not even the first. We launched Big Brother online. Like, oh, it's got a new presenter, he's the new presenter in this. And then I'm excited, right? And then people start going at you, it's like, we are Poralo, we are Zini. And I'm like, whoa. Please.
Imagine if you got yourself into
Right?
you wouldn't have survived how many weeks?
guys.
Right.
10 weeks of
So that
Yeah.
I knew that, okay, I've got this thing called the blockout thing.
Yo.
And then I went online. As in, like, we premiered
Yeah.
the first show. And my live show producer said to me, my guy, you are fucking amazing. Like, and I've seen people come in and go, you are fucking amazing. Do yourself a favor.
that's all you
When
need.
you leave, don't go online.
Love from Kenya.
That's all you needed.
And that's all. And because sometimes that's what it's noise. But that's why I'm like, she's got tolerance, dog. Some people can tolerate noise.
Yeah, Mina.
I think what you have,
Yes.
you have a thick skin now.
Yes, now you have a thick
You
skin.
have a thick skin. You can just be like, nah, bro, I don't care what this is.
Yeah, you have a thick skin. I think now so I'm just like I can browse through it and be like, I don't know. This
I
is
feel like you need to block out everything. You need to have
yeah,
this level of maturity.
yeah. To block out everything.
And,
To block out everything is a bit hard.
KB. KB acts like he hasn't done this show like in like a month.
He's like, huh?
Yeah, like what's up?
like, what are you doing?
And we're on the same team, by the way. Like we're on the same side.
You know what I mean? Oh, you guys support the same team?
Yeah.
Good for you guys.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Dude,
One thing
I'm
about United fans, you'll never question their loyalty.
Yes,
You will never
ever.
question their loyalty.
Them and Arsenal. Arsenal, I lose them for 10 years.
Yeah.
I'm a supporter of
Arsenal is always why can't it just
Because you haven't won in 6 years.
Hey, it must be you guys. So, you guys, it must go down.
You have not won a trophy.
Okay, can I please change the subject? Pamela Mtanga and Nomalanga Shozi are the hosts of Miss South Africa 2025.
Oh, that is
Yeah! My girls!
I love that.
I've got a free ticket.
I've got a free ticket. When is it?
Oh, damn.
When is it? Concha?
Next weekend.
Next weekend, yeah.
Yeah, on the 26th. This is so dope, man.
Guys, thank you so much for even being here. I actually have a question, so I just want to know if it's wrong to take accountability because I'm facing that problem.
But do
Where
you
as a person has a mistake but think accountability kills. What? Let me read this again. I actually have a question. So I just want to know if it's wrong to take accountability because I'm facing that problem, okay? Whereas a person has a mistake.
It's not a real thing.
I think a person made a mistake, but
It's about like
they think accountability.
Look at two holes.
Yeah, I know. But like,
I don't know how this was written, but I think you're trying to say go to like this person is.
I think personally, I think it was good they chose two. Don't
It's
forget.
always not wrong to take accountability. And if that person doesn't want to take accountability, then I don't know.
So now they
I'm
don't
joking. They
see.
should take accountability.
What's the face?
How old are you? I am
Well, now,
27.
they're gonna hate.
They are gonna hate you. They're
So
gonna
it's good
change
that
the
they've got
channel.
2 girls. I want it
I
like
have a
how
question
much
for
they're gonna
accountability.
hate.
Yo. This question, your accountability. Can you tell me your age? I'm your biggest fan. This is the second time you asked me for my age. Just look, I'm 27. Yo, they really want to know how old I am. What's next for you, Rick? What's next for you? Rick and watching. It is rude to ask a lady for her age. But what's the thing that you say? Me a stubborn man. What's next for you? Where can we watch you? You can watch me on. Carry on listening. If they don't ask me the question, then I will
Listen to
tell
all
you guys.
SABC radio stations from Wednesday, the 23rd of July.
For hard talk,
Something behind that,
discussions,
actually.
advice,
Exciting.
dramas, educational shows.
And interviews around gender-based violence with experts, survivors, lawmakers, and a whole country affected by gender-based violence. All on your favorite SABC radio stations. Call 0800 428 428
To report abuse or get help. Gender-based violence. It ends with you.
This message is brought to you by the SABC.
I'll play 2 minutes of the song. I love this song, man. But because I love you more,
Yo, I love this song so much.
fuck, this song goes in, dog. Yo,
Why don't you act anymore? Oh my god.
now we're gonna talk about what's next, man.
Yo.
What you doing?
No one can
Business
ever
and all
tell
of that
me your
stuff,
end
okay.
gorgeous, please. No. No.
You're going, did you just go up like,
No.
oh. Love the song, man.
I'm not in like business, if I'm being honest with you. I'm in property. I guess that's
Are you the
landlord.
if you're the landlord, that's your business.
Okay.
Yes, you're in business.
So you decided to get into business.
Come on, stand the dog.
Yeah.
Come on, stand.
Did you feel like this acting thing is unsustainable?
No,
it's
not
just change of
even.
life, dog.
Not even, just multiple streams of income.
No?
Yeah. So, grata
How
chalai.
did you get into property?
My mom. My mom. And then,
But
yeah.
I still acting.
Yeah, huh? Yeah, I am. And then this next part, I can't say.
Yeah, you
on
can't. No,
here.
don't
That's why I'm
divulge.
asking.
Yeah.
We divulge. We
No,
divulge.
even, no, the business part. So
Business. Yeah.
Also, now if people know.
So yeah.
Damn. Okay, the show's over, guys. Except Kemi, come say goodbye. Easily, one of the best releases from 2024. The Road is Long, music from Mzansi Mass Music. And if you will, trust my taste in music, do yourself a favor and go and check out Mzansi's latest offering titled God's Window Part 1. My guy, my gal, when I tell you that this guy is a talent, there are 18 songs over there for you to feast on. Go and check it out. That was an baby tongue, a free plug and play. So that was not a paid for link. It's just appreciation of the music. With that said, this is Smash Africa Weekends on 5. Thank you so much for choosing us. My name is Smash Africa. KB Mudishan is in the house.
Hi.
Karabo Hobo is in the house.
Yes, sir.
And our amazing guest is also sitting on a bar stool higher than all of us. Zenokuhle Maseko.
Yes,
Utasekhaya. Thank you so much for coming through and gracing us with your presence. I know you don't like interviews. She just says she's the highest in the room. Uyayibona Travis Scott. Uyayibona Travis. He came and went, but he's still in South Africa. But dude, I just want to say thank you so much for sharing your gift. Thank you so much for spreading your light. May God guide you and keep you on the purpose He's laid for you. And shout out to your parents, dog.
Amen.
Make
Shout
money.
out to my parents. Shout out to my mom.
Just make money.
Shout out to my dad.
Before we let you go, where do we find you? What are you up to? If this is public knowledge, because sometimes you want to be under carpet.
Yeah. So I am currently like shooting two things that the news is not out there yet. So
Okay.
I don't
Yeah,
think
no,
I
don't mess up the contract.
Yeah, I don't think I should say that, but Bad Influencer is coming out on the 31st of October, and I'm on that.
Yeah.
Okay.
The irony of you calling me an influencer and I'm on Bad Influencer.
That is why Kwena said you are an influencer. Kwena, we see you. Kwena is the content producer of the show. So everything I say is written by Kwena. For those who must know what content producer. I am not original at all. Gabaita. Okay, cool. I look forward to that. It's dropping on the 31st, no?
Yes, it's dropping on the 31st of October, and then the other things that I'm shooting, I think, are also dropping around November. So, yeah.
Uyashisa.
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 I love it.
You are so much hype, dude. What do you have to say to the young ones? And I'm talking about the youth of South.
The youth of South.
The YNs.
The YNs. Stop calling us the 1Ks. Number one. Live for yourself, man.
Yeah.
Just live for yourself. Do whatever makes you happy, because at the end of the day, when it's when the world is not like loud anymore and the noise is gone and it's just you and your thoughts, you just need to be happy with where you are in life. And it can only be you who does that. So do you.
KB, thank you so much for coming to work.
Dango, brother.
Karabo, thank you so much for coming to work as well. Koda, see you. Thank you so much for doing all the work, lady. To you listening, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for listening. And yeah, we're back again next week, Saturday and Sunday between 2 and 5. Shout out to my mom and dad.
Aww. I have set a stage 5. And I said, please don't say. Please don't say. You know my mom's name is Mama.
Take it from park to drive, take off like a lift.
Left me.
My exes can't come back to me cause I'm not where they left.
Left me.
My just gave me a baby, I want your breast.
Rest me, yo. I'm not normal, if I'm being honest.
I can't take my no way, she be trying to undress. I can't take my
Oh.
he be trying to impress.
Impress me.
I don't really want nobody.
Zesty.
I come from the jungle,
Yo, in a BTS, yo. BTS, these are good. I'm just empty.
you gon' fail. You try to test me. I come from the jungle, yeah.
Yo, the number one boy. Slim.
Park to drive, take
Ah.
my exes can't come back to me cause I'm not where they left.
Left me.
Just gave me a baby, I want your breast. All my praises going to the most high cause he blessed.
Bless me, Slim.
Him, yeah, triple cup fell to the
Come
rim.
by this,
Yeah, this pot of fake cost me a limb.
But they don't tell
I
you.
see them rush big and in. Pull up, come get you with clips. Even if I can't win. He gon' walk out with a grin. I'ma step out of the smile on my face. Roll on beats, I'ma step on the base. I tell them shut up, I can get your money up. Can't you see that you losing the race?
Bye, guys. I'm not of your class, but I wish I can get someone like you as a partner.
Are you ready? Can you please stay put? We just need to do the news and then take a picture, yeah?
Yes. No. I was saying bye to my live. You can play it now. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and stuff.
I'm fading out. You ready?